Hi, today I'll show you how to change device name on your Google Chromecast. So first of all, let's go to settings, then system, then about, and now we need to press device name. Let's change. And as you can see, you can choose between those names or you can enter a custom name. Maybe we can press this button and say, yeah, let's allow Home TV. And let's press next. So that's actually all. Thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.